Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best windshield wipers that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Rain XRX30222 Weatherbeater Wiper Blade. The Rain XRX30222 Weatherbeater Wiper Blade, and it has a lot to offer. We think it's one of the most versatile blades on the market. It's made of galvanized steel that resists both rust and corrosion. In fact, it stands up well to rain, snow, ice, debris, and even salt. The natural rubber blades resist tearing, and they'll stand up to extreme temperatures at both ends of the spectrum. They are one of the more affordable prices on the market. Finally, these blades come with a multi-adapter so you can use them on almost any vehicle, although of course you should check before buying them. We don't have much negative to say about this product, but there are a few things to keep in mind before you buy. First, while these wipers will fit most vehicles, they won't fit every vehicle. Second, the adapter may be a bit tricky to use if you're not used to it. Third, it's important to note that this package only comes with a single blade. If you need to replace both blades on your car, you'll need to buy two. On the whole, though, this is a durable and versatile blade that will work for most car owners, and that's why it's the top pick on our list. Moving on at number 4, we have the Bosch Twin Spoiler 3,397,001,359 Original Equipment Replacement Wiper Blade. The Bosch Twin Spoiler 3,397,001,359. We like them because they have a precision-cut rubber blade that ensures that your windshield will stay clear and free of streaks. Most Mercedes owners find that they fit as well, and work as well, as the original blades, but they're less expensive than buying from the dealer. The frame is entirely made of steel, which makes these blades far more durable than the ones made of plastic. The primary downside of these blades has nothing to do with their construction. They are made for Mercedes vehicles, and while they may fit other makes as well, it's important to double-check before you buy them. These are long wipers, too, so even if might work with some models, they won't work with all of them. However, if you have one of the models that can use these blades, they're a good bargain and very effective in terms of keeping the windshield clean. At number 3, we have the Aero 26 inches plus 16 inches OEM quality all-season beam windshield wiper blades. The Aero OEM quality all-season beam windshield wiper blades, which come in a set of 2. These are J-hook wipers that fit many models. We like them because their durable construction makes them ideal for driving in rain, ice, and snow. They'll keep ice from building up on your windshield, and they have a smooth, chatter-free motion. The downside of these blades is that, while they work well and are durable, they don't look as nice as some of the other blades on the market. The appearance doesn't affect their quality, but if it's important to you to have wipers that look good on your car, these may not be the best choice. However, for many people the durability and reasonable price tag may be enough to make up for that. At number 2, we have the Trico Exact Fit 14B Rear Integral Wiper Blade. The Trico Exact Fit 14B Rear Integral Wiper Blade. Like the previous blade, this blade uses next-generation engineering and is designed to fit many of the new domestic and foreign automobiles. It's engineered to work with the original equipment assembly, and installation is a snap. If you run into any problems, Trico has installation videos on their website so you can see exactly how to do it. While this is a great blade overall, there are a few potential downsides to consider. The first is that this blade is designed to work on most new models, but may not fit older model vehicles as well. It's not a good idea to install it on a car it doesn't fit, as the blade may end up scratching your rear window. The shape of the window may also impact how well the blade clears away rain and snow, so keep that in mind. And finally at number 1, we have the ACDelco 8-4421 Advantage All-Season Metal Wiper Blade. The ACDelco 8-4421 Advantage All-Season Metal Wiper Blade. While these blades are sold individually, you'll have to buy two to replace both blades on your car. The price is very low, making them quite affordable in spite of that. The universal fit makes them a good choice for most vehicles. The dogleg blade makes them an especially good fit for high-wrap vehicles, and they work as well in the snow as they do in the rain. On the downside, there are a few potential caveats that we should mention. The first is that the plastic parts of these wipers are not as durable as the metal components, so they might not last as long as you want them to. They also take a bit of time to warm up when you first start using them, particularly in a situation where it's only sprinkling or raining lightly. However, their affordable price makes them an attractive option. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.